I'm Simon Davies here at the Millennium Stadium. The expectation couldn't be bigger. The gates are open and the first of more than 60,000 Welsh fans who are expected have arrived to watch the big match on the big screen.
There must be around 40,000 or so Wales fans inside Eden Park. There are Welsh flags and Welsh jerseys everywhere. This is it for Wales. They know exactly what is at stake. And those gruelling weeks in Poland, the 3 or 4 months with Warren Gatland, all boils down to this. Alan Rowland has sent off Wales captain Sam Warburton for a dump tackle on French winger Vincent Clerc. Certainly a yellow card. Absolute astonishment around the ground though that it was a red card, and Wales need to play almost the entire game with only 14 men. What do Wales say at the break? How do they approach this second half with not just one man down but a key man down in their captain Sam Warburton? Mike Phillips, again the sniper on the blind side, is over for the first try of the game. Out of nothing, Wales' only real attack since Sam Warburton sending off, and they're back in it. It's Wales 8, France 9 with the conversion to come.
This place has been lifted. The roof is closed, but I think it has almost just been lifted off.
Wales' semi-final here in Auckland has ended in heartbreak. They were the team that played all the rugby. They were the team that had the chances. Unfortunately, they were the team that had just 14 men for almost the entire 80 minutes. It's Wales who will be in the 3rd, 4th playoff match next Friday and not next Sunday's final. Absolute heartbreak.